Hello, we are going to the park and we will bring a surprise for someone is supporting the amazing world of Fatima and Maryam. Let's see, join us.
Her name is
Shh. Hello, we are going to the park and we will bring a surprise for someone is supporting the amazing world of Fatima and Maryam. Let's see, join us.
Her name is
Shh. See, she's very excited. We are here now. Ate! Who's that one with you, Nor? Maryam. It's hot. We will sit there. Or you want to sit up? You see, she brings shades because really it's hot today. We will go up.
You wanna try it? My another. You're fast.
We will eat here or there?
We will eat here.
We will eat here. It's hot here.
Okay, let's go up. This.
Hey.
Wow! The first one. Yes, I have the orange house. Then I have the blue
Maryam,
house
Maryam,
now.
Maryam, Maryam, where are
I
you?
don't have the orange house. I never seen this before.
Oh yes, it's the other one. This is for the house, huh?
Yes, but the other one, the roof is just only the orange. The other one is the window. All
The
of
other
them are
one's the window.
Yeah.
Yalla.
Open it.
You want to open the toy now or you want to eat first? What's
Wow,
this
I
toy?
love it.
Oh yes, it's this one. No, where's the?
Yay, I know this cartoon guy. Look at this. That's a cartoon guy.
What's this?
I remember this cartoon guy. Wow. Yes, I know. I remember this. Look.
Maryam, you're eating now.
It's upside down. Look. I know that's good. Yes. And also, I also have this sticker. It's upside down.
This for who? Oh, this for Maryam. This toy we get.
Oh,
Okay.
wow, Maryam, there's also something here. Yes, that's a puzzle. Puzzle, yes, I know. I love playing puzzles. How about you? It's like a Happy Meal.
Yes.
Why
But,
should I upside down?
oh, this for you.
Thank you. How to do it? Oh, maybe it will fall down here.
Fatima.
He's not upside down, only as upside down. Look, he's
You want
not
to drink?
upside down. Wait, what's happened to his? What is this red? I don't know. Mommy, what is this red?
Which one?
Maybe
This is for Smurf.
Maybe it's Smurf.
Yes, his name is Smurf.
I know this cartoon. Yeah, me too. How is he not upside down and we are upside down? Because he's a cartoon only. He's not a real people. What is this? A credit card? A money card?
This is for you, Noor.
It's new.
This is for you, Ate.
Sorry.
And for Maryam, she's already eating. Yes, because Fatima always want to eat chicken nuggets.
Me too. I love them. Especially when they're crispy.
They're crispy.
Yes.
You know, we wait for this. It takes long time before they deliver. That's why we are late. Sa ate.
So, but you can very fast inside the
still up, so?
Yes.
Maryam, 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 Maryam.
Maryam is looking at this. Wow.
This is Kudu Kids meal.
How many chicken nuggets?
What's inside?
1, 2, 3.
How many chicken nuggets? 4. And a toy. And chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
This is for Noor. This chocolate milk for Noor.
I know you love this.
Oh, you finished your... Maryam already finished her juice. Her chocolate milk. You finished already, Maryam. You like eating? You like the food? Wait. I was supposed to give this to your mom, to them.
Go and give it to them.
Hmm?
Where's your mom? My mom is there. Where? There. With her friends. Oh. Wow. I can't even see. Mommy also have my friends. One friend. But my mom has too many friends. My mom has 1,000 friends. How many friends you have, Mommy?
Many also. I don't know. I cannot.
I have a lot. You know. Like a lot.
So how was it? How's
You
the
know,
kids
I
meal?
have the 20.
How's the kids meal?
It's nice. It's good also. I have 21 friends.